Welcome back. It's Saturday 25th of August. It's the first really nice weekend we've had for months. So what I've done, I've pulled most of the stuff out of the greenhouse and putting some stones down on the ground. So I've leveled it up a little bit better than it was. It wasn't very level. And yes, that's 8 bags, 15 kilo bags of stones. Nowhere near enough. I'll have to go and get some more. Okay, all the potatoes are back in, so I've got 3 bags of King Edward, the dark green bags, and behind 4 bags of Dutch cream. Now, this afternoon I'm also going to get some more potatoes started. So I've got Kifla from the Diggers Club, and it cost me $8. Plus, also from Diggers is Purple Congo. I think we've grown these ones before. I'll get those going. And also, I need to do the fruit trees. We got a little bit of leaf curl last year. As you can see on the trees, about ready to, the buds are about ready to burst. Before I do anything else, I go and get a few more bags of the crushed granite. Another 8 bags later, mostly covered the ground. We need about another 2 bags. I'll worry about it today. It's an expensive way of getting stone. Works out at just over $10 per bag, which is 15 kilos. And I've had to use 16 bags. A trailer would be much cheaper, trailer load, but I haven't got a trailer. But then this is the easy way of doing it. Okay, now I'll spray the fruit trees, leaf curl, and it says stone fruit, brown rot, leaf curl, freckle, shot hole and rust. 30 grams, apply at bud swell, 30 grams per 1 litre of water, and you get a spoon that holds 5 millilitres. So 30 grams, no idea. I'll just put a couple of spoonfuls in a litre of water, see how that goes. Give. Come on, give. Give. Good dog. I've got the Kifla and Purple Congo seed potatoes in. I didn't worry about showing them. I've done that before. So I've just got some fertiliser in the bottom, potting mix on top, and as they grow, just build them up, of course, just like these ones over here. You want your bowl? Here you give. Come on. Give. Zoe. Give. Come on. Drop it. The duck. Ready? Rex will let her have it. He always does. Good duck. Okay, I think that's about it for today. Continue on tomorrow.